Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a very nice fish today. Its name is Dangila danio. Let's draw the outline first, then we're going to do the details. Okay. So you can see the outlines, whole outlines is running from head to the tail. And the special types of body shape, so its fins, usually the dorsal and abdominal fins, both are pretty much bigger proportionate to its body size. Okay, especially the abdominal one, you can see it's pretty much bigger. So the prominent fins are three of them. These are the numbers, and this is the eye here, drawing another bigger line around it, and this is the breathing part of the fish. Okay, so presence of another fin here, and putting the outlines for the scales all over the body. Later we are going to put the color and having the distinctive body figure styles. Okay, so in some parts it has a little bit block figure running like a Rex, like this one. And the prominent red color you can see on the top. And for the dorsal part, you can see the red contours for a usually bigger surface. Almost it comes to the middle and going to the tail here. Okay, all right. Little bit red to the abdominal area. And the purple shade you can see on the fins here. So on the top, on the bottom, you can see the presence of the fins. First I'm putting the colors. Later I'm going to do the details with the mechanical pencil. So putting lots of rags. You can see the rags here for the top portions and for the bottom portions. So those are the special features. Also putting the colors in the tail here. Okay, with the 6B pencils we are just darkening the outlines at the finishing points. Okay, so the whole outlines is complete, almost complete. Alright, so in this case the head, you can see it's pretty much lighter in color. So there's the drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.